Welcome back to the training. In this tutorial, we're going to have a look of how to add equations for these holes here. So let's start with the equations manager. Expand this feature here, go to the 3D sketch, add equation, select this value, global variables, select width, times parentheses, 60 over 50, enter. Nice. Select the 2D sketch. Select the view orientation to the top level. Right. Select add equation, select the hole depth, and I want it to be equal with the length, times parentheses 25 over 125, enter. Add equation, select the hole diameter, if the length is over than 180, I would like this hole diameter to change to 8 millimeters. Otherwise, if not, I want it to stay as it is. Enter. Okay. I think we have done all the equations within this product, and in order to confirm it that everything is working, we need to make the changes. Let's turn this to 75. Let's change this to 65. Okay. Rebuild. Keep in mind that every single time that you make changes within the equation manager and something is wrong with your product, with your design, remember every single time to press this button here. It's very important. This button is double confirming your updates, the update value.